Many people have asked me, Pixie, please make a video on 2 weeks free Nitro on phone, because I don't know how to cancel the payment method. Guess what? Here we are. But anyway, before we start, it's thanks to my channel that you guys get free Nitro and Orbs news on time. Plus, you get so many advanced tutorials for free, but many of you do not subscribe. If you're just watching, kindly subscribe to the channel, and let's cross 12,500 subscribers this month. Now let's get started. To see the Nitro page, go to your phone's user settings, click Nitro or Offer option. It's not tough. Make sure to add your payment method and claim your free Nitro. One benefit about claiming Nitro on your phone is you get many payment method unlike PC. You can even use your local payment methods. Like in Iceland, people use Apple Pay. I skipped forward to after receiving the free Nitro. There we have it. Phone method is even easier. Showing you the full payment process would have only revealed my payment process details, so it wasn't a good idea. But that's not an important part. The important part is how to cancel the subscription or autopay. For this, let's say if you go back to user settings, click Manage Nitro. You can't cancel the subscription since there's literally no option. There's also no billing info. You'll go to Play Store, click your profile on the top right. Then go to Payment and Subscriptions. Once that's done, click Subscriptions, which is the second option. Here you can cancel the subscription. If you don't see Nitro subscriptions, then maybe you have multiple accounts. Go to the same email address account from which your Discord account is registered with. And our subscription has been canceled. Now how am I so sure about it? See, it says canceled. Now, this ain't the end of the story. If you used card, it's fine. But if you use maybe an app like me, like Apple Pay, you need to go in that app and cancel the autopay. And that should do it. You won't be paying $10 every month after that. Now, if you're like, Pixie, I am on laptop, so how to claim there? Yes, I've made a video on this already. Watch that. I've also made a video on multipurpose Sage bot, so make sure to watch that too. It will help you so much. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.